What up, homies? I'm here. My skin looks like crap. And I am ready to film. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, okay, so I was at Ulta a few days ago and I picked up a little thing. You can probably tell what it is by the title of this video. But I picked up the Morphe 35O2 palette, and this baby just, you need to film with it. Like, look at it. Look. I'm just gonna give you a second. Take a look at it. Take a look at all its glory. I'm gonna do two looks with it. I'm gonna do one. It's a little more natural. Duh. And then I want to do one playing with that red. So that's what we're gonna do today. So this will be two looks in one video. I'm gonna do two separate eye looks completely. I'll just take the one off. We're gonna start with the natural one. So I'm gonna go in with my foundation, my base makeup, all that stuff. I'm just gonna kind of like quickly zoom through this because I'm watching Grey's Anatomy right now and this is boring. I'm gonna literally be doing the exact same stuff that I do in my full coverage foundation routine. So I'll link that below if you're curious at all what that looks like. And we're just gonna jump right into the two videos. Alright, Grey's Anatomy, your turn.
Where do you go when you're young, when you're restless, when you're fun, cause you're desperate? Oh, here they come for a chance, for adventure. What's your poison? What's your pleasure? Oh, my city, she never sleeps. My city, she never weeps. My city, she keeps me alive. Give it up for my city, oh, oh. Give it up for my city, oh, oh. Give it up for my city, oh, 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 oh. Give it
So I am all done with my face makeup. So we're gonna jump in. I'm not exactly sure like what kind of look I'm doing, but I want to do just a little bit more of a natural look, and then I'm gonna show you how you can deepen up the natural look a little bit. Then I'm gonna play with these warm tones also. So I am excited. First, we're just gonna take a little bit of our Airspun powder. Any translucent powder will work. I would recommend using one that, like, if it sits on for a while, it won't give you any like white cast or anything like that. So we're just gonna stamp that underneath our eyes, and this is for the purpose of if you have any fallout or anything like that, you can just wipe it away, sweep it away very easily. Alright, now that I have you zoomed in, we're gonna jump right in. I have already primed my eyes and set them and everything like that. So we're gonna go in with this first shade right at the top here. They give you a list of names, so I'll go off that too. That is gonna be Universal right here. We're just gonna put that right into our crease. There's really no need to like worry about like how low you keep this one. Okay, focus on me. I always like to take my first color that I have and I really blow it out, bring it up to my brow bone a little bit higher. I also have more hooded eyes, so I like to just bring up colors higher up there anyway. So then next I want to go into this guy right here. It's like smack dab in the middle of the first row. That shade is called Tan. So we're just going to take Tan and we're going to do exactly what we did with the first shade, Universal. I'm just not going to blow it out as high. So where I have universal all the way up here, I'm gonna bring tan down just a little bit further. I had no doubts that this palette was gonna be awesome. Like, pigmentation was gonna be great, blendability was gonna be great. But I mean, it is fantastic, and I'm super, super happy that I picked this palette up. We are gonna go in with the shade Stone. It is on the bottom row, right down here. You see it? Right down there. Bottom row, right down there. And we are going to take a more like a tapered brush. Gonna pop some of that on the brush. And we are going to place that shadow down first. And then I'm going to take the blending brush that I originally used for Universal and Tan. And I'm just going to blend that out a little bit. And I'm also going to take that first brush we used to lay down that color. I'm going to run it underneath my eyes. So now we have this very nicely blown out, kind of like a basic eye. We are gonna go into this guy right here. It's on the top row. The shade is called Pure. Just gonna take my finger and I'm gonna focus this guy on the inner corner here. Not necessarily popping it into the inner corner, but just focusing it right there. And I'm also bringing it down a little bit below here. Not in the inner corner, but like on the bottom lash line. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Bronzy. It is this guy right here. I'm gonna take that on another finger. We're gonna pop that guy in the middle. I'm gonna pick up a little bit more Pure on my hand here and just kind of blend the two together a little bit. I want to take a little bit of the shade Zippy through this guy right here, and I want to just kind of poke that, taking it on my finger once again, and I'm just going to kind of put that down over here. And then I'm going to take the shade Stone one more time on the first blending brush we used, and I'm just going to kind of run him with the shade I just used, Zippy. I'm gonna pop on some mascara really quick. I'm using the new Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. I love this mascara. I have very short lashes. I recently did just get a lash lift that I've been liking a lot. So for highlight today, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in the shade Moonlight Pearls. I'm just gonna pop a little bit of this guy. And for my lip today, I'm gonna go in with the shade. I'm gonna go in with one of the matte matte lipsticks from ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills. This comes in a little kit and a little 4 set, a set of 4 lipsticks. This is the shade Kiss, and we're just gonna pop it. So there we have the first look. It's just this very like soft glam, very pretty eyeshadow look using the 35O2. I really like the way this turned out. I love the little ombre we have on the lid with the shimmer shades. I just think this is such a pretty look. I'm gonna take a few pictures of this guy, probably watch the rest of this episode of Grey's Anatomy, and then I will see you very soon for part 2 of this palette, or of this video. Bye. We are back. My hair is in a different mess. Same outfit, same everything, but the makeup, the eye makeup is gone. So we're gonna go back in with this guy, and I'm gonna show you how to do a more like dramatic glam as hell look. And I have no clue what we're gonna do, so we're just gonna go, you know? So I wanna go in with Orb first. It is this one of the top row shades. It's this guy right here. I'm gonna use that as my transition color today. I'm going to do exactly what I did with the Universal shade. We're just going to kind of blow everything out with that shade. So we're going to go in with this orange shade next. That's right below Tan. It's called Ablaze. It's a very pretty orange. It's like an actual orange shade. I'm so happy to use it. We're going to take that on the exact same brush that I was using before. And we're going to do almost the exact same thing. I'm just not going to bring it up as hot. Okay, that's pretty. So next, I want to take this shade right here, that insanely awesome red shade. This one is called Fire. I'm going to take that on my Morphe M433 brush. You know, this guy, it's such a stain brush because I use it all the time. Here, we're going to take this guy. Ooh, that pigment already. Tap off a little bit of the excess. And just go. Bitches. Guys, that is so pretty. Oh my god, do you see that? Do you see that? Oh. I'm gonna blend it out just a little bit more. Hold on. With the brush we were just using too. Just like up here to get that orange gel. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with the color. Holy moly. Guys, I can't even begin to tell you how pretty this color is. I'm gonna take a little bit of a blaze, kind of blend the two together just a little bit more. I am going to take, so I want to kind of keep this red shade as the main color a little bit. So I'm gonna take the shade Chestnut. It's right here. It's a little bit of a deeper, it almost has a little bit of a purple to it, but it's a deeper red and purple. And I'm gonna focus that right down here, blend it into a blaze because I want a blaze to be like the color on my lid. So I'm just gonna take like this small shader brush right here, and then we're going to take that color. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to kind of stamp it down here. So right now we have that. It just like kind of grades. It's not blended that well, but so I'm going to take a little bit on my M433 brush. I'm going to take the shade Chestnut again and a Fire. And I'm going to kind of blend that together in my crease. So that'll blend the two shades together, give it a nice gradient, and we won't be losing either shade. I am going to take just a little bit more of just Fire. I feel like this look needs a little bit of depth out here, so I'm going to mix Muddy and Wiz. It's these brown and a black shade right here. Don't want a black shade quite, but I don't want just a brown. So we're gonna mix those together. And I'm gonna focus that really low down here. Like I don't want to. But then I'm gonna take my M433 and I'm gonna take just Muddy on that. Alrighty, so that is what I'm gonna do with this look. I'm gonna pop on some lashes really quick. I'm gonna use some Tarte lashes that I just got and pop on some bottom mascara, and I will be right back to finish this. So I'm going to spray my face with some MAC Fix Plus, and then I am going to go in with Sun Dipped Glow Kit. I'm gonna go in with the shade Summer right here, and I'm gonna go on with this Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush. I don't like these kind of brushes for foundation. I like them for highlights. So we are just going to pile that on. And I also want to pop this on underneath the brow bone. And then for lips today, I'm going to go in with another color from the Anastasia Little Lip Kit. This is in the color Spice. And that, my friends, is the final look. Like, on a real note though, I loved how this turned out. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed that video. This was me doing 2 looks with one palette. I kind of want to do this again because this was a lot of fun. Yeah, it was really a lot of fun. My camera battery is about to die, so we are going to end this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Please subscribe if you haven't already. All of my social media will be down below and on the screen right here. And at the end of this clip, I love you guys so much. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! If you came to this channel to see a girl with really good looking hair all the time, you're not in the right place at all. My hair doesn't know how to look nice. It knows how to look messy.